The hare was a very proud animal. He told everyone that he was the fastest animal of all. He laughed at the tortoise. He thought the tortoise was much too slow. The tortoise did not like the jokes from the hare. He looked at the hare. He asked the hare to have a race. The hare laughed even louder than before, but he said yes to the race. The other animals came to watch the big event. The fox stood at the start line. He waved a red leaf in the air. He shouted for them to go. The hare began to run very fast. He looked like a brown blur on the path. Soon the tortoise was far behind. He was a long way from the hare. The hare looked back at the road. He could not see the tortoise at all. The sun was very hot in the sky. The hare felt hungry. He stopped to eat some orange carrots. The hare felt very sleepy after he ate. He found a big tree. It had soft green moss on the ground. He lay down on the moss. He fell into a fast sleep. The tortoise did not stop walking. He did not eat any food. He did not go to sleep. He just kept walking along. He took one slow step at a time. The sun started to go down in the sky. The tortoise walked past the big tree. This was where the hare was sleeping. The tortoise was very quiet as he passed. The animals were at the finish line. They saw the tortoise coming. They started to clap their hands. They began to cheer for him. The loud noise woke the hare up. The hare jumped up from the moss. He saw the tortoise near the end of the race. The hare felt very scared. He knew he was in trouble. The hare ran as fast as his legs could go, but he was too late to win. The tortoise stepped over the finish line. He won the race. The animals were very happy for the tortoise. The hare felt very silly for what he did. He learned a big lesson that day. Being steady is better than being fast and lazy.